Alright, Steampunk Tiki fans, I'm back. And here we go. Welcome back to the Steampunk Tiki Bar. You know what? I've been playing one of my favorite games again. And it got me thinking. Here in the bar we have a fridge. And it keeps cold drinks cold. But it just doesn't look like it belongs in my Steampunk Tiki Bar. And I've been playing Fallout 76. Hey, if you hop on Fallout 76 or you play PlayStation 4 Fallout 76, you'll probably find me every once in a while at the Steampunk Tiki Bar on the game. And I decided to bring the game to the bar. And I'm going to change the fridge over there to a Nuka Cola fridge. May not look like it, but it's going to be my type of fridge for the Steampunk Tiki Bar with a Nuka Cola twist. So stay tuned. See what's to come. Well, alright, we removed the fridge door. Don't think I'm going to paint the whole fridge, just the fridge door. But you'll have to see. I'm going to take this outside and speed it up so you can enjoy me painting the door. Alright, so we got it back all nice in Nuka Cola red. But, gonna have to put the words on. I know I could get a stencil, I could get a sticker made, but I'm gonna do it by basically making my own cutout stencil. I want to do a little bit of difference to it, but I think it will look good. So, you just wait and see what I come up with. Alright, well, I got the letters, made them bolder with a marker so you could see them, but now the fun part, gotta cut it all out, and hopefully don't scratch the paint. Alright, back at it. just like that, we got a cutout of the Nuka Cola. Alright, gotta go back outside and paint it. If you want to come with me, you're gonna have to go outside. But let's get it painted. So we got it all set up. We're ready to paint. This time trying a different angle. Hopefully you enjoy the better angle and the better view. But let's get at it. All the letters are down, pressed in, and it'll still add a rustic effect even though for the fallout part of it. But let's get it painted. So seeing how this is white going over red, I chose to use a primer paint again. So maybe I can get it in one coat. But it looks like I'm going to have to do another coat. And this is Cryolon's Color Max. So going to let it sit, let it dry. But you don't want to watch paint dry. So this is where we'll cut out, take a break. And I'll be right back in a few minutes to see if the paint's stuck. And then we'll let it dry, bake in the sun. Okay. And just like that, there you go. One Nuka Cola fridge for the Steampunk Tiki bar. You know what? I think that's perfect. Pretty cool. Looks great. Got a little nuclear fallout damage, and top it all off, we got a place to open our beer. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know what, share, comment, and if you feel like it and you're up to it and you want to give a little to the channel, in the description is a spot where you can make a little donation. Well, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed.